Hi there. We've got an unboxing video today, and for anybody who's purchased a bunch of things online recently and who hasn't, sometimes you get things in the mail and you don't even remember what you ordered. In this case, looking down here, I got something from China. Go figure. Everything's from China. Alright, so let's look and see what we got here. A box. This one's a little unusual. Let's see here. Got logos and branding on it, including Element Airsoft. I purchased stuff from them back in the day when I was heavily into buying airsoft gear. And let's see what we got. Ooh. Hey, and we do have Element Airsoft flashlight mount. So this is great. This is what I ordered a few weeks ago. I wanted to get a Taclight mount for the rifles, specifically for my Kel-Tec Sub 2K. So, yeah. Alright, so there we go. Depending on the length of your Taclight's barrel, let's see how many inches. 2 3/4. You'd need to have a barrel that's 2 3/4 wide. Let's try it out. To change position, you pull back and it releases the locking mechanism. Now it's a little wobbly, which makes me a little concerned. There is a screw over here that you can tighten, but once tightened, then you won't be able to adjust its position. So this multi-position design, I now believe was just so that you can decide whether or not you wanted this left-mounted position, or low, or right, and there's even in between positions. Okay, so there's that. But here's the problem. Okay, so let's say you decided, okay, I'm going to go with the low mounted position. So in which case you tighten this down. Oops. Okay, I'm going to cinch this finger tight. Okay. This is still wobbly. Okay, I suppose you could tighten it even further, but I don't know. This hinge joint, it just doesn't feel secure to me. So maybe, yeah, this is for airsoft only. I would not recommend this particular design for actual real steel use. Again, perfectly fine for airsoft, where you don't have any recoil, maybe even a 22, but certainly not for 9mm carbine or even an AR. So this is the other mount, the single position mount that has the QD, quick detach. Let's get that on. Pressing down to release the crossbar. Okay. Okay. Now I want to get it a little further down on the Picatinny rail. Alright. I would have liked to get the flashlight, the Taclight, as further forward as possible so I'm not illuminating any part of my gun and reflecting anything back to me. But this I can work with this. I can make some adjustments. Yeah, this is much better. Feels secure. I mean, I see a little play on the inside, and I can cinch this down, but clutching this really hard. Oh wait. Okay, there's a flaw in the design here. If you do the C-clamp style here, what you'll notice is that if you're C-clamping this thing, your palm is going to be resting on the release button. So it's not ideal for this sort of position setup. I wonder if I could turn this around. Well, no, I really couldn't. That's unfortunate. Okay, well, this would be a good mount if I didn't do the C-clamp on the barrel. If I just held it like thus, or I suppose if I wanted the flashlight on this side as opposed to the right side, the left side of my barrel, there wouldn't be the issue. There might still be, because I'd be pressing down with my fingers. Okay, so suffices to say that for my needs, this is not a useful mount, because it releases whenever I have a tight grip on it. Good to know. Anyway, the Element flashlight mount, Taclight mount, single position, good for airsoft and real steel. The multi-position, airsoft only. All right. Well, hope you enjoyed this hasty unboxing and review, and be safe out there.